Hi guys, so it's been so long since I posted in my YouTube account and hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng get ready with me to school, get ready to me, go to me with school kasi like hindi ako naka-uniform and yung first day of school namin like wala kaming klase. First day of school like online kasi yun and then wala kaming klase so a little boring in it, but I have something to discuss with y'all. Like, di ba nakikinig ako ng 17. Yung song nila na Rock With You, bro. Vernon's vocals are top tier. Di pa pijago, 당연하지 않아. Bro. Hindi ko alam, but yung vocals talaga ni Vernon is, wait lang. Yung vocals talaga ni Vernon are so top tier. Like, for real. Pwede niyang siguro, ang ranking ko sa mga vocals, para sa akin, ang ranking ko sa vocals is first, si DK, next, Sungkwan, and next is Vernon. Kasi, ang raspy ng voice niya, like, tapos yung kumanta din siya ng spell, girl. That is a whole another level. Pero ang gusto ko talaga na gusto kong part na kinanta niya na vocals niya, like hindi siya nag-rap, like kinanta niya lang is yung sa Rock With You, yung part niya na nun. Bitch, that was perfection. Another one is nung kumanta siya ng yung kanta ng yung basta yung nasa palayan sila and then kumanta siya tapos girl, the voice is okay, it's giving. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye.